Hello, this is Robert from American Preppers XJ. Today we're talking a little bit about solar setups. I just installed my 2 more panels on my 200 watt system. So that brings up to 400 watts altogether. I just put 2 more super strut supports on top and bottom, and I poured concrete inside my pole right there to give it more stability and support. I still need to just cut the ends off of those 2 right there, and this system will be all set to go. Later on, I will be getting a solar tracker hookup, so if I can track the sun movement, so it'll start, swiveling and stuff. But yeah, here she is. This is my 400 watt system. It's a little cloudy and rainy today, but I'm still getting like 60-70 watts right now of power on a cloudy day. So I'm just say that's pretty good right now. But yeah, if you like this channel, please give me a like and give me a subscribe. This is my 400 watt solar power system. It's my update. Thank you. Bye. Oh yes, and by the way, I will be doing another video on the installation of the solar tracker. I do have a video for the installation of these panels here. It's not the greatest, but there is one for it. If you guys are interested, just go to my YouTube channel and check my videos out. That is American Preppers XJ. And yeah, so like I said, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. And feel free to give me a comment too. Thank you.